Today our topic is velocity. First of all, we consider 2 points A and B. Distance between these 2 points is 10 meter. If a body covers a distance of 10 meter in 5 seconds, so we can find that speed. So speed is equal to distance over time. Here 10 over 5, which is equal to 2 meter per second. Here a question arises that what does a 2 meter per second means? It means that a body covers a distance of 2 meter in 1 second. Now we differentiate between distance and displacement. If we say that a car covers a distance of 10 meter, it means that we only have a magnitude that it is a distance that a car covers a distance of 10 meter. We don't have a direction given, so distance is a scalar quantity because we only know about the magnitude. But in case of displacement, if a car covers a distance between 2 points A and B, and we say that a car moves 10 meter towards right, it means that we have a direction which is towards right, that a car moves 10 meter towards right. So we have magnitude as well as direction. So magnitude and direction gives us a vector quantity. So displacement is a vector quantity and distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is also defined as a shortest distance between 2 points. So it means that we also have a direction in this case. Hope you understand the differentiate between distance and displacement. Now consider another example. Let's suppose speed is equal to 30 meter per second and a car moves with this speed, but if we do not have a direction, so speed is also a scalar quantity. Speed just tells us about a car covers a distance with a speed of 30 meter per second. It means that 30 meter in 1 second. So speed is a scalar quantity. Its formula is speed is equal to distance over time. But if we say that a car moves 30 meter towards right, now we have a direction which is towards right. So speed and direction when combined both give us a quantity, a vector quantity, which is velocity. We have a speed and direction which gives a velocity. Unit of velocity is meter per second. Unit of speed is also meter per second. Both have same unit, as in both the case a body covered a distance. So unit of the distance is meter. So unit of speed and displacement both have meter per second. Velocity is equal to displacement over time. Now we consider two houses. Distance between two houses, if a direction is given, then the distance is 20 km and a body covers a distance of 20 km in 2 hours. But if direction is not given, then a body covers a distance from house A to house B with a curved path and distance is 30 km. Body cover this distance in 5 hours. So speed is equal to 30 km divided by 5 hours, which is equal to 6 km per hour, and velocity is equal to 20 km divided by 2 hours, which is equal to 10 km per hour. So in case of speed we only have a magnitude and in case of a velocity we also have a direction. I hope you understand this concept of speed and velocity. Now there is a big difference between average speed and average velocity. If we consider a point and an object or a car moves in a circle, covers a distance and ends at a point A again. So if a body covers this distance 2 pi r in time 2 hours, then it has a speed. Here speed is equal to 2 pi r hour 2 hour. But in case of displacement, a body covers in a circle, so displacement is 0. Here velocity is also 0. I hope you understand that the concept of average speed and average velocity, there is a big difference between them. Thank you.